Hi, everybody. Suruchi. Yeah. So, hello, salam, namaste, sat sri akal. I'm Madhvi Narula, and I'm kicking off my new series in What's Your Story with a famous, known Indian television and film actor, Rituraj K. Singh Ji. So, he's just right us with live on Insta. So let's start
Hi,
and let's see what's his story. Hi, sir. How are you? Good evening.
hi, I'm fine. I'm fine. Are you getting my full picture?
Yes,
Yeah,
I can see
your
you
voice
very
is
well,
good.
sir.
Okay, because in the last
Can you hear me very
live
well?
chat I did, I can hear you very clearly in the headphones. Yeah. The last
Okay.
live chat I did, my face is half cut off, and it was very.
No,
It
I
didn't.
can
It
see
didn't
you
look
very
good at
well.
all.
I can see you very well. And you look rocking. You look rocking.
I'm trying to read who they are.
So,
So how are you, Madhuri?
I'm good, sir.
Yeah.
Quarantine
Oh,
has
Jatin is
put
there.
all
Hi,
of us to this
Jatin.
platform.
Okay. I just want to say a quick hi to Jatin. He is one of my biggest fans, and he's always in touch.
Yeah, there are many people
And
joining. Yes.
yeah,
Yes,
that's nice.
yes,
A lot of them
yes.
were trying to locate your Instagram handle because this is
Hmm.
Devi Narula, not to be mistaken by any other name. So tell me, Madhuri, what are we going to talk about?
I didn't get you.
Do,
I'm not. You're not
I'm
audible
saying,
to
what do
me.
you want to talk about? What do you want to talk about? Hi,
Yeah.
nice to see
So
you too.
I
Yeah,
first want to. I was talking to you
hi,
about
Jatin.
your
Hi,
name.
Ratin.
आपके नाम में बहुत दम है सर. ऋतुराज के सिंह जी. You know. So what is this? ये
Uh-huh.
आपके नाम का राज क्या है?
यार बड़ा सिंपल है। जब मैं पैदा हुआ था तो आई वाज नेम ऋतुराज सिंह। मेरे परिवार में ज्यादातर लोगों के ऐसे ही नाम है। मेरा बेटा है अभिराज सिंह, मेरा बड़ा भाई
Okay.
रविराज सिंह, फिर गिरिराज सिंह, शिवराज सिंह, ऋषिराज सिंह, ऐसे। सो दैट इज इट। आई वाज ऋतुराज सिंह एंड माय मदर ऋतुराज के सिंह आरकेएस एंड दैट्स द स्टोरी।
Okay. So your mom is
आई थिंक
there
आई
who
थिंक
has
मोस्ट
been
ऑफ माय
keeping
फैंस
the
नो दैट।
names.
ठीक
आपकी आपकी मम्मा ने ही सबके नाम रखे हैं. It's like your mom has created names for
नहीं
everybody.
नहीं 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 नहीं। एक परिवार में
वैसा
अक्सर
कुछ.
ऐसा होता है कि लोगों के नाम मिलते जुलते हैं। मेरी माँ ने नहीं रखे। मेरी माँ ने तो सिर्फ मेरा नाम और मेरे भाई का और मेरी बहन का नाम रखा। बट आई एम सेइंग आई एडेड द
Okay.
के फॉर कमला, व्हिच इज माय मदर्स नेम व्हेन शी एक्सपायर्ड, व्हेन शी लेफ्ट दिस प्लैनेट।
Okay. 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 So that's the Raj of K, the K factor in your name. Oh, okay. So, sir, बचपन में, if I go back to your बचपन,
Of course I love you a lot too.
let's.
I'm just responding to some, yeah.
Am I audible now? Okay. So, आपकी बचपन, I want to go back to your बचपन and know your बचपन की story. कि like where are you from, where were you born and brought up, and क्या आप स्कूल में बहुत ही पढ़ाकू बच्चे थे या बहुत ही like serious types थे? What's your story behind your school?
Okay. Madhavi, I'd love to answer that. I will tell you your audio is breaking in the middle. Maybe there's a network glitch. But I
Yes.
don't know. But anyway, I can hear you now, yeah. तो मेरी बचपन की स्टोरी
Okay, so again, I'll repeat the question again.
no, I got the question. I got the question. It's just that
Okay,
it is breaking
okay,
and coming
okay.
because of the glitch. But it's okay now. So I was born in
Yes,
Kota in
that's okay.
Rajasthan. That's my nanihal
Mm-hmm.
and my grandfather's house, my maternal
Okay,
grandfather's house. Mm. And
okay.
he was
And
an amazing man. And I
your grandfather?
lived at my grandfather, but I didn't live in Rajasthan. By birth, by blood, I am supposed to be a Rajput. So my full name is Rituraj K. Surendra Singh Chandrawat Sisodia. But I never used that as such, and
Okay,
I've not lived in Rajasthan. Yeah. So I did my schooling in Delhi,
okay,
right from
okay, Delhi.
junior and tiny tots to the nursery school. At the age of 8, I went to America, and the photographs that you've seen are from America. I was there till I was 12,
Mm-hmm.
and then I moved back to Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
and then in
Mm-hmm.
1993 I moved to Mumbai. So my
I have
education
a
was,
picture of yours. I would like to
yeah,
stop you, and I have a picture of yours here where I can see you love the land. It's in USA, if I'm not mistaken. It's in
yes,
1974,
that's
right?
right. This is just after the winters got over. That's the front lawn of our house. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so that is from that time. So there. Hi, Jesse. How are you? Yeah, a lot of my friends are coming on.
Yes, yes, yes. They're
Hi,
all thrilled
Vijay.
to see you.
Hi, Siri Reddy. Hello, nice to see you.
Yeah.
Okay. So lots of you are joining in. Thanks for that. Yeah, so in America, I was in Montgomery County School in Somerset Junior High. Then basically my education happened from Air Force Central School in Delhi and Model
Uh-huh.
School in Barakamba Road. Model School was
Okay.
wonderful. I passed out of school in 81, and I still have my friends, in touch with me from my batch, and it's really wonderful. We have a WhatsApp group, and it's very nice. And I did
Okay.
my college from Hindu College, economics honors, and then I started working. I started acting professionally and working.
Oh, okay. So,
Yeah,
स्कूल में आप कैसे बच्चे थे? पढ़ाकू थे या
I
शैतान थे
said,
या बॉसी थे?
मैं बहुत ही बदमाश, बड़ा बदमाश।
बदमाश थे.
मुझे
Okay.
हाँ, मैं बहुत बड़ा बदमाश था, लेकिन
Bossy. Bossy.
जी, I was very naughty. I still am very naughty.
Oh,
Yeah,
really? I
yeah,
must.
I am.
अच्छा,
Oh yes.
okay.
If you ever
So,
visit me at any of my
Rajputana
film
Khoon.
shoots, I believe in मेरे Jasveer Kaur, my friend, one of my best friends, she said मस्ती खोर हूँ मैं, और वो जस्सी भी है.
Ah.
हम्म.
Uh-huh.
हम काफी सारे हैं. Actually, it's part of the positivity of life, to spread happiness.
It's a gang.
So I
It's a
believe in that.
gang. It's a gang. It's a Gundawala gang.
There's a huge gang, yeah. There's
It's
a
a
huge
gang.
gang. We've taken over the entire planet, actually. Yeah. So we're going to make
Oh my
everybody
God.
happy.
Entire
All,
planet.
yeah. This
Okay.
coronavirus and various other negative things, they'll all go away because we're very strong. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
there's Hussain 643, thanks for joining in.
Yes.
Yeah.
There
And
are
Sonia,
many
hi.
people. Sonia. There are many people who are joining. Hi. 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 Hi,
We'll
everybody.
wait for the comments.
So,
आप
so
बताइए.
coming back to my.
Yeah, so my education is
So
basically
coming
that.
back to the.
And, yeah. Okay?
Yeah. Tell me about your education, sir. You were saying something. Please continue.
No, I just lots of love to Delhi. Be safe, all of you. Hi. Hi, Sonia again. Hi, Sakshi, Creations. Yeah, so the education is basically that model school where I did theatre from the age of 12, and then professionally with Barry John, theatre, which everybody
Oh,
knows now.
really?
It's a little- Yeah, I've attended all the interviews. He's my guru. He lives in Dharamshala. He has a lovely school in Mumbai. And those are the
Dharamsala is
best
a
days of
very
my life.
lovely place. I have been there.
Yes,
Dharamsala
it
is a
is
very
beautiful.
lovely place. I've been there. It's a very lovely place. So
Yeah,
basically, आप Delhi से education and theater it
yeah,
started from. So how
yeah, yeah.
theater got into it, like in your mind? Were you like very much interested from the schooling in acting, or yes?
Yeah, yes.
Yes?
From the age of 12, like I mentioned, I joined the Sushma Seth's Children's Theatre Group in
Uh-huh.
Delhi. And I started acting. I've been acting ever since. And I joined theatre acting group at the age of 17 when I joined college, as I just mentioned. And
Okay.
hi, Shivi. Hi, Venki. Hi. Yeah. So all of these people who are joining and they all know this. So it might be pretty boring for them, but
Hi. Hi,
it's still the
everybody.
hi everybody. Hi Gopal. Hi, thanks for joining. I hope you're all taking care of yourself. Hi Nisha. So yeah, so it's been a good innings, and I'm still at it. So my theatre started very early, and it's been a part of my life, and it's then materialized into television and now into films and the web world.
तो
And you're
आपको
talking about
एक्टिंग शुरू से ही प्यार था, you love acting. It was in
I
the
love
blood.
acting.
Any
Well,
of
I
your
don't know.
siblings
No,
any of your
nobody from my
siblings are into
family.
this?
No, nobody from my family. I'm the only one, the black sheep. Plenty of things going on good, which is good.
Right.
And yeah, everybody, Gypsy, hi. And yeah, it's in my
Hi,
system.
Nehal.
It hasn't, yeah, I know. It hasn't been in my family. Nobody in my family is part of this entertainment industry. Only me.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
so
I
only
have two
you were
lovely
there from.
children. I have two lovely children, so they might join the entertainment industry. We don't know. Jahan Singh is a writer. She writes for New York Times. She lives in Manhattan, in New York. She's my daughter. She's
Manhattan.
26.
Okay.
Yeah. And my son is here in Mumbai, and he's 20, and he's just finished his third year college. So let's see, they might join the entertainment industry. One never knows. They're very
One
talented.
fine day, yes. One fine day, yes. I wish. So
See,
now coming back to.
they're saying they can't see me
Please
properly.
continue.
No, they are saying that they can't see me properly. Am I getting cut off? Can you see this? Can you see? Am I entirely there?
Can they see me now? What?
Well, nobody's answering, so we'll carry on. Okay. Hi, Tasty Baba. Hi, Ananya. How are
Can they
you?
see?
Ananya is in Bangalore and she's joining from there. Hi. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay,
Tell me
I
about
have
it. What do you
my
want?
friend Ananya also. Yeah, so coming back to the very interesting.
Yes.
Oh,
Are you
so
there?
sorry for the poor connection. I think it was really poor
Yeah,
connection.
that's what I'm just typing
Yeah,
in.
I'm there. Hi, it was a poor connection. Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
So once again, we connect.
You're
So
talking
am
to
I
that
audible
good,
to you,
yeah.
sir?
Yeah, I can hear you
Okay,
clearly.
so what's your Okay, so coming back to my main question, that what is your story that you know you're really inspired about, and
Okay.
it really made you as what you are today, as you know what you
Okay.
are today.
Yeah,
So
well,
what's that story behind?
my yeah, since that's the title of your show here and stuff, what's your story? My story
Yes,
has
that's
been
my
really,
title.
very
So
nice.
what's your story?
My story is that I've had a lovely, lovely life, and I hope while I'm here on earth, it continues to be lovely. Uh, I was
Okay.
fortunate that at a young age, I got to know that I want to be an actor. So decisions kept getting made, and it was my intention. And through that, I did a lot of work, a lot of lovely plays and some films in Delhi, and then moved to Mumbai. And that's basically my story, is the story of an actor, an aspiring actor. I took the chance
Okay.
and I came in '93 to Mumbai. And since then, I've been here. This is my home now. And I moved from television to the web world and to the film world. And well, Bhadrivati Dulania and the role of playing Varun Dhawan's father, Ambernath Bansal,
Father. Right.
Badri's father, that sort of was my stepping stone into films in Bollywood. And a lot of web series stories I'm doing. Some are currently on. A lot of my friends and family and fans are watching them, and I'm loving it. Very nice. And you were talking of Dharamshala, so I just shot recently in Dharamshala for a web series before lockdown. And
Oh,
earlier, 2 years back in December, for a very nice film with one of my favorite directors and a very good friend, Jagmeet Singh Samandari. And I'm
okay.
also doing a lot of short films now. That's also part of my story now. And a lot of them have won a lot of awards. One very much in the limelight and in the reckoning is Painful Pride, winning
Painful
awards all
Pride.
over.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
I was
And I
wanting
was
to talk
fortunate
about
enough
it.
to, yeah, it's a very nice film, a short film made by Soumitra Singh and produced and created by Mansi. I'm very grateful. I got Best Actor award for that. So it's going well.
So
A lot of this stuff.
Pallavi
Yeah,
Joshi is acting in like
yes,
against
she's
you
the
in
yes,
that role.
she's the main person, and I play her husband. Wonderful actor. It's a lovely film. You must see it. I uh,
I will.
I request.
I will. I will. I will. So okay. So
Oh, so sweet. Somebody saying I'm very fantastic in any kind of way. Thank you so much. Very kind
oh,
of you.
you are
I love that
fantastic.
appreciation. Oh, thank you. Actually, we all are fantastic. It's just that I'm getting opportunity to be able to share that part of me.
Yes.
Very
So
grateful.
चलिए सर, let's बचपन की बातों से थोड़ा हटते हैं. Let's come
Hmm.
back to like what triggered you to be a deciding factor. Like, no, I have to do acting only. Was it like somebody inspired? It was an incidental thing, or what? It was an internationally known thing. What?
I tell you. Thank you, Anupama. I'm sure you're fantastic too. Madhuri, it was definitely something that happened in my life by good luck. Um, Somebody who was taking care of me when I was 12 took me to this theater group. And it just started from then, I just felt so comfortable acting, felt really
Okay.
happy. It still makes me feel very happy. It's my passion. And well, Jasveer Kaur, you learned a lot from me. You learned a lot from me. I learned a lot from you. So sweet, yeah.
No.
Yeah, so it
Okay.
was, one of those things that just clicked. I'm sure all of us in our lifespan have faced situations where you feel that, hi, yaar, ye sahi hai. So it is like that with me.
So coming back to your industry,
Welcome, Deepak.
uh,
Yeah.
was it very tough to get into the industry? How it treated you? And
Well, yeah.
yeah, why only first televisions? Why not films first?
Well, it was what I got. It was what sort of roles I got, what jobs I got. I did some
Okay.
films, English films earlier, but the theatre and English films got me onto television, onto ZTV. So then I just played there, you know. It was like,
You just went
that
with the
was,
flow. You
yeah,
just went
I
with the
went with
flow.
the play, yeah. It's like football, you know, like once you're on the field and the ball comes to you, you start playing. You just go
Right.
with the ball. Yeah, so it was like that. But like I said, I moved on from that platform now to web series platforms and film. So I hope you'll be seeing a lot of me as soon as lockdown is over.
Mm.
Oh, somebody is so sweetly saying Jatin
Okay.
official, saying you're the one who made me fond of acting. That's so nice.
Oh
That's
yeah,
so
I've
nice.
been looking
Hi,
forward to hear
welcome,
your story, Rituji.
Reja.
Hi. So hi,
Hi,
Deepika. Yeah.
hi, Sneha,
So
welcome.
okay. Uh,
Ajay,
so
welcome,
which
Vijay
one
Kumar.
amongst all your work, sir, which one do you think? Of course, everything what you have done is the best of your acting. So, which one
Thank
is
you.
the most likable and lovable work which you have done, and why?
Well, you know, I have been fortunate to get lots of good roles, and I have liked most of all of them. All of them.
Yeah, yeah, all of
Uh,
them.
it- you've asked me a question which is difficult to answer because there's so many roles, you know, and
Huh.
each and every one of them has meant a lot to me. I've enjoyed playing comedy, negative roles, positive roles. I really loved my roles on stage. Um I really liked anchoring with Tol Mol Ke Bol. It made me a household name. My role in Baneji
Oh,
Apni
that
Baat
was
with
very
Tim
nice.
Sharma. Of course,
Yes.
right now this role 3 years ago, Badrinath Ki Dile Mein Ambarnath Bansal.
Banegi,
All my
I
roles,
remember, I remember I was very small and Banegi Apni Baat when I
uh,
saw you, it was in ZTV, aired on ZTV. And I used to say,
that's
oh,
right.
I like this guy.
Oh,
But
thank
I
you.
never knew that
Yeah,
one day I will be taking one-on-one face-to-face interview with you. Wow,
yeah,
it's
it's
a dream come
wonderful.
true.
Wow, that's so
It's a
sweet of
dream
you.
come
God
true.
bless you. And I'm really glad you've been part of my journey and you watched me. And Baneji Apni Baat was iconic
Thank you.
and it
Thank you.
was yeah, ran for 6 years. It made all of us, all the actors in Baneji Apni Baat became TV stars, and this is wonderful.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
you're back again. Okay, I
Uh,
lost you for a second. So
okay.
I've loved all my roles, and I can't pinpoint one, but yeah, I if you ask me which of my roles I didn't like, then I could answer
Hey,
that question easily.
acha,
That
okay, answer me that.
answer to that question is there is no such role that I've not liked. I've loved all my roles.
Okay. Okay. So, ठीक है. So,
Oh, my fans from
what's
Devanta
your
are very high.
aspiration? Like, what kind of like? So, what's your aspiration, sir? As a legacy, what kind of work or kind of an acting skills you want to leave and then go? Like people should remember you.
Well, I hope people will remember me because I'm definitely
Of
going to
course.
go. Everybody goes, and he, including Irfan Khan, who's been a very close friend of mine, right from Baneji Apni Baat. So I can't use the word legacy because that's a very very right who was a part of their life, and I'm very fortunate that I have people who enjoy my work. So I would like to leave an impression that I was here to fulfill, a need for entertainment, and that would be good. We all
So
need
the show
entertainment.
must go on.
The show must
The
go on.
show must go on. Okay.
Yes, that's why it's
So
going on here now, in spite of the lockdown.
अच्छा एक इन स्पाइट ऑफ द लॉकडाउन एक चीज और सर एक रोल
Yes.
जो आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है और आप फ्यूचर में करना चाहते हो या सोचते हो कि यस आई वांट टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ रोल व्हिच यू हैव नॉट बीन डूइंग कुछ
Well, one
आपके
of the
दिमाग में
roles that
ऐसा है
हाँ, मेरे दिमाग में काफी सारे हैं. मैं
हाँ तो
I
बताइए.
was close to doing a I was close to doing a role of a madman, but he wasn't mad. He was a young boy who was retarded, and
हाँ.
that was in Sadhana on Doordarshan.
अच्छा.
And
Okay.
yeah, Michael, he was retarded but emotionally in love with this girl. So that was very close. But one of the roles that I really want to do at a big level is that of a madman. I think I'll be perfect in that.
Madman.
Yeah, which I am
Okay.
actually. Yeah.
So all the
And
producers and directors, please listen. Sir wants to do this role, so please next time, please keep in mind. So this is for you all. Yes.
no, because yeah,
No, but it's a
because
very
you
challenging
can,
role, you know. It's a very
yeah,
challenging.
exactly. That's what. So I would like to do that.
See,
I will
हसाना
also.
हसाना हसाना सबकी बस की बात नहीं है,
Uh-huh.
और पागल बनना भी सबकी बस की बात नहीं है. पागल
हाँ.
कर देना is very easy, you know, but
I
खुद
mean,
पागल हो
my
जाना is
hero
not
too.
easy.
Yeah, that's true. But actually, there is a theory that we are all mad, and
Yeah.
I've quoted this many times from this play, Waiting for Godot, in that there is a line: "We are all born mad. Some of us
Yeah.
remain so." So I
Yeah.
remain mad. So I want to use that in my acting. I'm not that typical mad, जैसे मैंने अभी किया था नौटंकी वाली acting. Not that type of mad guy. Not that type. No, but the mad guy who is very intense. But he's mad. And he might
So I'm getting scared.
kill you.
So I'm getting scared. You're getting to the acting mode, I know. Sir, please. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So, okay, let me know something about your family now. I want to know who else is there in your family.
पागल कर देना is really easy. गोपाल वर्मा से. यार पागल कर देना is really easy. वो तो मोहब्बत में है, इश्क में. And Madhavi, that is the other role that I want to do. Of a man of my age, with this salt and pepper beard and this hair, who is madly in love with. Yeah, but who's madly in love with a girl. Madly in love.
Okay.
And
okay.
Yeah, uncontrollably in love. And how he figures out कि मैं अब इस उम्र में मुझे इश्क हो गया है, अब मैं इसको कैसे निभाऊं? How do I go about it? तो इस पक्षीपेश में जो कहानी बनेगी, I'd love to do that too.
बनेगी सर, जरूर बनेगी, इंशाल्लाह जरूर बनेगी, और सब लोग देख रहे हैं और ये कहानी जरूर बनेगी, and I will be the first one to come and see that movie.
How sweet, very nice. Why don't you be the girl? Would you?
I would love to.
Maybe you should be the girl in that show.
I can. Do you know? Do you know, sir? It was my dream to be an actress. When I was just 3 years old, I used to stand in front of the mirror and do some hairstyles and something like that.
That's great. That's how it all starts, That you should follow.
And thanks to Saroj ji, she taught me the dancing skills, and I was
Saroj
recently in Mumbai. Yes.
Saroj Khan, wow, she's incredible.
I had a personal classes with her. She's a sweetheart. I call her mom.
That's love.
I call her
That's
mom.
love.
And
so
I love to dance. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Even this friend of mine, Jasveer Kaur, she loves to dance and she dances very well. Somebody is writing.
मिलना पड़ेगा सर उनसे.
गोपाल, हाँ मिलना जरूर. She's on Insta. उनका बहुत ही प्यारी बेटी है, Naira, and she's got a very lovely husband, Vishal. They're lovely people. She's on Insta. You can connect with her. She's very friendly like me. She's also a Gemini. Like, what sun sign are you, Madhavi?
Basically, it's a cusp, sir. Sometimes Arian, sometimes Taurian. So it's 20th April. My birthday is on 20th April. But birthday से याद आया सर, 23rd of May किसी का बर्थडे है. I think आपका बर्थडे है.
You are absolutely right. वैसे तो बहुत लोगों का बर्थडे है, पर मेरा भी है. And 23rd May, yes, that's printed छापा हुआ on my birth certificate. And I'll be 56 years old But
Oh
I'm a very
my
young
God.
56-year-old, very young, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
young at heart. You are. You are.
young at heart,
I know
young
your
and heavy.
fitness
Look at
regime.
fitness.
I know your fitness.
Actually,
I know your fitness regime. I know your fitness
it's
regime. How fit you
honey
are.
says again saying, I love you, honey, I love you. And
Okay.
help me with my fitness. To be fit here is very important. Made me realize of being fit, of being healthy. So to be mentally healthy, emotionally healthy, physically healthy, and also,
Dil se.
if you
Dil se.
if you agree with me, spiritually healthy. I consider myself very spiritual.
Spiritually.
I'm sure many of you are also.
Yes,
Yeah, a lot
do
of
you
people are
do
talking
yoga, sir?
about the
You believe in
birthday.
yoga? You do yoga?
Uh, I I do some meditation and some basic yoga, but I'm not
Uh-huh.
not an expert. And one of the things I
Okay.
want to do is learn yoga. Yeah.
Okay. I do
Oh,
yoga.
how sweet! There
I
are
do
so many
yoga.
nice messages. You do yoga? Okay, so that must
Hello,
be very fulfilling.
everybody. Thanks for joining in.
Yes, I got so many hearts and so many kisses. Love you all. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for connecting with me and, walking this path, this journey with me. I love you all.
So, tell me something about your family now. I want to know
Oh,
who
sure.
all are there in your family.
Well, my family is very large, and my mother's side of the family is very large. My father's side is very large, and of course, this great world that I have been born into with all my fans and friends, it's very large. I consider them all my family. Immediate family, I was blessed with a lovely birth, with lovely father and mother. My father was in the army, and he was a very distinguished
Oh,
officer. Yeah. My mother and
okay.
father were Rajputs, as I stated. My mother was the most beautiful person uh, for me in the world. She
I
blessed
have
me
a
and told,
picture here about your
yeah,
mother.
that's my mother. Yeah, that's my mother, Kamla Kumari. That
And
tall boy, that very
yes,
handsome boy is Ravi Raj Singh, my elder brother, who
yes.
stays in America. Now
Okay.
he looks like this. And that's my sister, Shruti Kumari, is very intelligent.
Wow.
Elder sister,
Where is she
she
right
also stays
now?
in America. She stays in America in
Okay.
Freehold in New Jersey. She's a
Okay.
lawyer, and
Okay.
that's me. That funny-looking animal-like
Is that
joker is me.
you? So
Yes, that's
sweet.
me.
You're so sweet.
Yeah, I was
You're
very small. I was
sweet.
very small. In fact, I'm a freak case because till the age of 17, when I left school, I was very small, very short. I was just 5 feet
Mm-hmm.
2, and then luckily
Mm-hmm.
I grew taller. Otherwise, I would have been doing different kinds
Yes.
of work. So in my family now,
Oh,
apart from my mother and father who are now in heaven, and a very close uncle of
that's
mine who
bless them.
took me to the theater group, he's also in heaven. And
Bless them
but
all.
I have a lovely wife, Charu. I have a lovely daughter, Jahan.
Charuji.
She also stays in America. Charu
Okay.
is a very lovely person. She's given me two lovely children. Jahan Singh is my daughter. She stays in
Mm-hmm.
Manhattan in New York. Yeah, and
Okay.
she works with the New York Times. And my son, Abhiraj, I think I mentioned in the beginning of this interview, he's in Mumbai. So that's my
Okay.
family. I will show you a photograph of theirs if I can switch. How do I switch this here? I'll show you a photograph of theirs. Can you see that, Madhavi?
Yeah, I can see, sir, very well. Very well.
Yeah, so that's Jahan and Abhiraj, Charu and me, Rituraj.
Can you move the camera
And
towards the left? Towards the left.
yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes, yes. No, this side, that side, that side. Left. Onto your left. Yes, yes,
yeah.
yes. Now I can
Okay,
see. Yes,
okay. So
yes,
that's them,
yes.
and
That's
that is
fine.
an earlier photograph of the four of us, and
Yeah.
we took this some time back with that photograph. And
Yes,
this
I
is
can see. I can see.
my, yeah, that's us. That's us. You might be getting some reflection. And this is my guru, Barry John. That's my theater guru. So that's my family
Okay.
actually. Yeah, Barry is
Okay.
very much a part of my family.
Lovely,
Yeah,
lovely family, sir.
yeah.
You are blessed and stay blessed.
Love you
So, of
all.
course,
Yeah, I'll be
discussion
here,
can
sir, I'm doing well. Sorry, no what?
end without, of course, the corona thing. So, any
Yes,
message on corona you want to give to all
I,
your viewers or your lovers or your fans to stay
yes,
safe?
yes, yeah, exactly. I know it's been hammered into everybody, but I think the more we say it, the better. There is a reason why this corona has happened. Some of us
Yeah,
are thinking the reason is that it's here to make us wake up and become stronger and become
yeah,
better as people, uh, more conscious of our health and more conscious of each other. I also believe that. I think it has happened.
yeah.
Nothing
It's
happens
actually,
without a reason.
yes, nothing happens. Very true, sir. I think it's more of a family bonding now, which we have more. We are
Yeah, yeah.
spending, जैसे in earlier times we used to spend, family के साथ बैठ के खाना खाना, वो सब
I
खत्म हो रहा
agree.
था. I think भगवान ने
Hmm.
सोचा कि कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए. Let the family be together.
That's good
And
thought. Actually, yeah, families have become warmer towards each other, spend more time. I think we've also grown as a family. The whole world has become like a close-knit family
right.
to make this a better planet. We are all trying to have healthier lives. And we're joining hands. And I think it's beautiful, that a
And
lot of differences has got removed. And I think we have
right,
turned
right.
out to be better human beings, and we will be better human beings in whatever field of whatever work we are doing.
Yeah,
Whether you're
better
an
human.
actor or a politician, an army person, a police person. Of course, I have so lot of
No, no,
gratitude to
no,
the
no.
police.
Yeah, God
Well,
never
I didn't
sees who
understand.
is an
God,
actor, who is a politician, who is a big person, who is a small person. Everybody has to go through the same process.
yeah, well, that's one way of looking at it. But I think God makes us who we are. But I really am grateful, like I was trying to say, to the police people, the doctors, the nurses, and all the lovely people
Yeah,
who are
they're
taking care
lovely
of us.
people. Yeah, they have
Yeah.
done a very great job. They have done.
And I think we are all much better, and we're going to become even better. And I'm very positive
Yes,
about it. But not positive on
yes.
Corona.
You should. No, Corona,
Yeah.
no. So, any
Gotta be
last,
careful.
like, we would like to sum up here, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us. And
Thank you,
anything else you
Madhuri.
want to share about yourself?
Madhuri, there are so many hearts on the screen, I can't even see myself. Please. And I want to share with everybody the very simple message of just love yourself. Please. We don't know how long we are here as human beings. We all have to go one day. While you're here on this earth, love yourself, love each other, love your planet.
Life is
And
too short.
yeah, but we should make it best every moment. Live every moment. Love
Yes, sir.
yourself, love each other, and don't be scared. Overcome the fear. This corona is a very small thing. We are much larger than it. So be
Yes,
safe and be
that's true.
happy. Okay? And
Together we can
let's,
fight.
yeah. And once the lockdown gets over, let's make this a more beautiful world. And generations after us will remember that we were there and we sort of, held each other strong in the storm. And we came out healthier, stronger.
So okay, thank you so much, sir, for this message.
Thank you.
And
Thank
after the
you.
corona, I hope to see more of your projects, more of your films coming
Thank you.
out, and doing
Thank
more
you.
of the promotions. And I'll be there with you soon next time.
Sure.
So,
Very good. That will be lovely. Okay. I
so
wish
my love to
everybody
you,
lots of
sir.
love. Thank you,
Yes,
Madhuri.
thanks
Thank you for
everybody.
having this lovely chat. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank
See
you.
you
Thank
soon.
you.
See you soon.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Be safe. God bless you all. Love
Thank you,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Love
Thank
you.
you. So, thank you everybody for joining me. So, this was a story about Rituraj K. Singh ji. and hope to see you again in the next series very soon.
Yeah.
So good night and take care. Stay safe. Stay home and
Just
love
one
your
thing I want
family.
to say, Madhvi, I want to say one thing.
Yes,
Since
sir.
your caption is "What's your story?" A
Yes,
long
sir.
time back, I read this lovely quotation which said that people say that we all have a book inside of us. So you should make your life a great story.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. I will keep this in mind. I'll keep this in mind.
Yes. So on
That's
that
that's
note,
that's that's.
bye-bye. God bless you
Bye
all.
bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all the viewers for being live with me and sir. Thank you so much.